What's up, guys? In this video, here we have a hoverboard, as you can see. Also this chair that can spin around, but it doesn't have a backrest. So, this video I'm going to be doing something really interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the hoverboard now. So,
turn on.
And yeah, sorry it's like a little bit broken because, it's almost 2 years old. But anyways, I want to do this. And then I'm going to spin. Oh god. Whoa. Check that out. Okay, that's kind of hard. But here's where the funny thing begins. I'm gonna lay on this thing. And then hold the hoverboard like this. And then I'm gonna go really fast. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh my god. Whoa! So fast. Oh, that's cool. Alright. Do this again. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh. Alright, guys. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.